am must call it on the trouble. Me mo be.
You don't need it. When you do.
Obi me uncle be 7.
You don't need
no problem. When you
don't need that no.
Oh, di.
No.
No.
Baba, upeja fence go you through.
My uncle.
Na kwaso.
Now you go.
Ade am ba ko beti ba.
Infantini there. Come here.
They were not the Mamuta and Kwana to Bano.
What's the point? Ma ko ni me.
Hello, me pacho me show master.
Me pacho ni wo.
Oh, I have very serious issue.
When you say oh, you have to your bana makacheno.
Some artist wo kasa we chire, ma ti de ho no.
Enya wonni ho.
One can you have to your bana makacheno. You will come to your master dia, which akateno.
Na no na kasa wo yi. Eh ya some here o.
Masa mi si wonni ho wa me pacho wonni ho bye.
Wakati no. Why am I from there?
No way.
Bribe na frɛ o so o hwɛ mi si wonni ho no. One comment bi nya mo ba me.
I for forget it na I swear she go give my hand. Boy uncle.
Me boy man agina ya sia.
Mama. Mo be me pa mo nyambo mo ma fans.
Obi am must call it on the trouble.
Me mo be. Professional don't play a fan.
You don't even know. But I do before. Hey, babe.
Yeah, baby. Baby, yeah, what?
But it's not what you're doing.
You Charlie fit my power.
Tell me what's saying.
Yeah, my shit. The boys in the car. Car is okay. It's so much for my guy and my friend was fresh said. Or send this coming out to
what is this? Must you say me was not coming back. This is my thing.
Yeah, no, we Master Kwame send me questions, but I say. Obi send me a message. Flagstaff House, please come there. It's Jaish. My friend. Say Flagstaff House, you may be.
It's well, we so be asking. Who will have phone at that hand?
Me the mama must want near about. We come the mama.
What's your boss pa?
Me the mama Master Kwame say. Uncle receive him, you here, right there.
No. Master, what bed no be you juma when him say, who are never be good so we take care of it. What ya na wo bother me o say spa. Eh den ya.
Hello. Wait me pacho, sorry sir. Minya message be on my phone so say there's a contract at Flagstaff House and Tianka member on Mona Mibisa say members menam konso me benti anka me fra ka cha wansa.
No kre. Wa woni ti ase de husi a we adwuma. Nim say we adwuma wa adwuma hote. Nti ye ma me call transport minister ho no mo. E ko ka kire no say de wa adwuma sitie.
Tie ni say de me fra wo bra. Me ma text message. Ma twa me nya reply dia. E na me fra wo. If I was within a big account, say, when you're around.
Now, cars be say over 700 cars. And a transport minister person the man because what we need to say engineer election do. This kind of person they come home on 75,000. And before election time on na kaka ni na et maybe. But me try text message na mama friend call so announcement account. So be na fa call na can argue na tell me. To where me sorry or the adwuma na mo bi.
I want to help you, please. I must have going
It's what I should do on one. Hello. What's going on?
Oh, my, this it's master, what be Juma, who are be here, Juma, study a befie. Ah, what you see here. Now, what's your how bother me say, men, one no quite say bother me. I don't know how I drink. Who can empire the pan as a son of fear for the summer yell? Wouldn't make us on country not for not hell, not hell. Hey, now, Becca, enough is enough. I'm tired of this marriage. I'm tired. I'm very, very tired. Keep your ring, make one.
Oh, Barbara.
There, Barbara.
Barbara, maybe so, Barbara. Oh, there's hope.
I can't say the man, and I'm going to say my brother.
Who wrote me?
Do you agree with a wife to leave master at this particular moment? Again, is this also the work of the devil? Kindly let me know your thought below. There is no specific time for your breakthrough. This is the reason you have to be prepared at all times and to know what to do at the right time. Using your working hours to have pleasure is a clear indication of unseriousness, and it is likely to lose a big time job opportunity, as you just witnessed in this video. Also, allowing somebody to answer your calls, especially calls on your business line, can lead to so many problems, and this is just an example. Kindly know that there are some opportunities when you lose them, you will never get them again. I thought that a yana a complaining. I said Yeniska or my wide. Now so a name kitty be say a bit me am ye Lucy ye Juma Cassia a bit me sick Cassia by Abayentem. I see you a mra ye the Gieni, a mra ye did agro any mra de Yejuma. And now phone calls or so no call no bit me at the Cassie Biabro. And it is almost be a keke and some calls anyhow. And you beat me can be actually be a manako for how near my near Cassiaba, said the Ohoye. Apprentice and lose big time opportunity as I bring pusika or the manager. Let us keep the lessons in this video. Well, if you are falling in love with this kaftan, kindly contact EG Collections. Below is their contact. When you call them, just let them know that you watch Life Morals and you will have a special discount. I keep telling you that anytime you share Life Morals video, you are not just sharing a real life story, but you are helping Life Morals to inspire a lot of lives positively. My name is George Whatapp.